What is digital gold? There are many ways to define digital gold, but basically, digital gold is a blockchain-based project designed to encourage the digitalization of the financial markets and their different investment instruments. It hopes to achieve this by enabling users to purchase coverage in physical gold via the ERC-20 Ethereum-based gold token. The project holds numerous advantages for its users, the gold market, and also for blockchain technology as a whole, in which blockchain is a database system that contains information used to store information in linked information blocks and managed by everyone involved in the system, instead of only the individual third parties such as the state or central bank. At the same time, it is possible to safely transmit data by a complex encryption system and be expanded over time. And Ethereum ERC-20 is a blockchain platform, while ETH is a currency unit in the foundation of Ethereum, and ERC-20 is a standard used for all tokens running on the Ethereum blockchain platform. Over the last couple of years, the digital ecosystem was introduced to a smarter and more efficient value management and storage system, referred to as blockchain technology. Its entire implications upon society are not completely understood at this moment, since the full potential of blockchain has not yet been unveiled. Therefore, digital gold was born to create a gold standard for your electronic money, with safe storage and payment criteria in gold. Gold has been used to preserve wealth throughout thousands of years. The stability of gold's long-term purchasing power is unprecedented and superior to any fiat currency. Gold Ethereum-based ERC-20 token is a convenient and instant way to store, buy, sell, or transfer investment-grade gold. Gold token is exactly what you need to purchase gold and store it digitally with complete anonymity and guaranteed protection of your asset from high volatility and loss of value. Advantages presented by digital gold include: 1 token equals 1 gram of gold, 99.99 purity. All gold tokens are backed by physical gold stored in a secure vault. The gold stored is audited in real time and can be verified online. Every gold token is issued using Ethereum smart contract, and the amount of tokens in circulation always equals the total amount of gold bullions held in vault. Digital gold provides high liquidity. Token issuers company is a liquidity supplier enabling purchase and sale of large amount of tokens very close to market rates. Token holders can instantly purchase or redeem tokens at this website or partner exchanges. On digital gold, there is no transfer fee, no fees on transaction. Make as much payment as you like. Gold can be used as part of your daily routine or regular business transactions. Digital gold gives low cost. Low service costs comparable to the cost of storing gold at a bank, with no hassle of actually dealing with precious metal storage related issues. Digital gold is secure, 100% backed by physical gold. Amount of physical gold stored can be matched against the total number of tokens real time. All transfers are irreversible, and there is no way to block or limit your account due to the centralized structure of blockchain technology. It provides privacy. Own gold while remaining private. All other gold ownership options involve disclosing your identity at the time of the purchase or redemption. To purchase or sell any amount of gold, you just need to provide a destination wallet address. More are the efficient integrity strategy for gold can be bought and sold instantly on a number of exchanges or at the website. This enables gold holders to be in and out of positions in a matter of seconds, a feat that is impossible to accomplish with physical gold located in a secure vault. Now you may store value in something that has a 1,000 years long track record while staying firmly in control. To achieve the high market liquidity, gold representatives hold significant positions as markets maker on major exchanges around the world. Such strategies allow their customers to buy and sell large amounts of gold with guaranteed low spread and no spillage. With these advantages and strategies, customers can use the platform to instantly purchase gold token, each coin being equal to 1 gram of 99.99% fine gold that is stored in the company's vault. As such, the token enables users to indirectly use gold to make money transactions or to leverage it as a wealth storage system. This is achieved without requiring users to follow complicated procedures. The token is pegged to the value of the gold spot price, thus also acting as a stable coin. This makes it useful for protecting against market volatility on the cryptocurrency market, while also allowing users to benefit off long-term gold price uptrends. Liquidity is ensured at all times, granted that independent live audit can be verified to cross-check the number of tokens in circulation with the amount of vault stored gold. The digitalization of gold is bound to also increase the worldwide appeal of the precious metal, which has been sought for and used by mankind for thousands of years. The cross-implementation between gold and blockchain technology serves as yet another successful use case scenario, showcasing blockchain's potential in revolutionizing the financial market. The Digital Gold project is not an initial coin offering, as no crowdfunding effort is being carried out. All operations are self-funded, thus any acquisition of the gold token results in an instantaneous smart contract-based purchase of physical gold. The worldwide interest in the gold market is well known, whereas the value of gold exchange-traded funds (ETFs) exceeds the $100 billion threshold. With the gold token, the precious metal can now be more than a wealth storage method and investment tool. With the help of blockchain, gold can now act as a payment method for transactions of all type. Moreover, Digital Gold also has working teams with years of experience working with electronic money through blockchain technology. You will surely be convinced like me. Know more about Digital Gold token through their white paper or by joining their social media platform such as Twitter and Telegram.